Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. And this is my subject today, my work. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, analog ages. So I used reversal film. It's not digital at all. As a matter of fact, I shot this shot with upside down like this. There is a wire pole behind this ball, and I put this cloth. Then I hang in these mannequins' hands. Well, anyways, this is gonna be my subject today, and this is my specialty with this kind of pictures, images. I used to shooting a lot. Well, and also I made this image by Adobe Photoshop using the filter called Find Edges, as always. And I want to make something interesting, more creative image from this. That's gonna be the fun. Okay, I want to see this image, and also I'm gonna add the layer for paint it on in between. I'm gonna move in between this and change that layer more to darken so we can see through. And also reference, I need to know, I want to see the color of this image, so I took it using this reference window. Okay, then I change the size too, I think. well, now I'm going to start with it. Let's get started now on this layer. Then I'm gonna find some brush for this. There's a Japanese, but I'm sure you can find in your app on your iPad. Using painting or artistic. So many brushes on this Procreate app. Well, painting. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry for noise. Today's so rainy day. Okay, I'm gonna use this gouache. This is Japanese, but I'm sure you can find painting to gouache for brush. Okay, now I'm gonna try paint, and also I pick the colors from here. Let's see more let's go from yellow first. I first see the mountain image here. Can you see? It's so white, so hard to see, I think. Okay. Well, shadow yellow with small brush. What a sound, isn't it? So rainy day today outside. So that's good for creating image. Okay, now I'm going to add for black ball. I'm going to use eraser tool, which is gonna painting seam. Why did I use this brush on painting? So use same painting to brush. Select the same tool on laser. Okay, I'm gonna put black colors on both hands. Highlight comes from behind both sides. So you know what that is? This line, shooting star. I made it by moving tripod to move the camera lens. See, open the block that on the black paper hole, then lighting with that bulb light, then shutter speed is about 1 or 2 seconds or something. Then move the tripod, move the camera lens to make this curve. I'm gonna make the blog site in the future, so I'm gonna write down about this kind of shooting story in the analog days. So hope it's gonna help you some creative work you do. Oops, I guess I did on this here. Well, it's okay. Oh, not so much. Okay, now down. Now let's see, change the blend mode to write this one down and change the color burn number 4, layer 4, black ball. Is not much difference between these other layers effect, so just leave it normal. Then now just leave it color on this layer. Then now see the shooting star here. It's darkened now, right? But it's making subtract makes lighter, divide, that's more, hue, divide makes more stars and shooting stars more clearly. So I'm go back to normal now. No overlay, maybe this is interesting. Okay, leave it overlay for one layer. Then I'm gonna duplicate layer, then I'm gonna change on this to divide, to leave the shooting stars and stuff. This one is 100%. Then this one is, now it's turned this one off so I can see this layer. Change the opacity of the, okay, leave it 50%. I can control later. Now, what I want to do is, let's see. Let's make this layer, layer 3 for base. Okay, now I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask, so I only see this base image. Now I'm gonna, this layer mask, which brush should I use? I gotta find the brush to make mask on. Okay, I'm gonna go with this La Rapuna for masking. Yes, let's try on this. Make it this size to take white on this mask. Let's make it bigger. Let's check on this. Well, I was gonna copy this mask, but I don't think I can copy this. Veil layer select. Now what am I gonna do? Okay, that's okay. So maybe I have to make mask for each layer then. Okay, let's try it. Let's click mask. No, just make mask. Then invert mask. Now same brush to show. Wait a minute. I'm gonna tone this one down first. Oh, because this one is overlay. Overlay don't show much. Okay, in that case, just leave it this one. And then this is okay. Okay, now I'm gonna make a mask for this regular image. Okay, mask. Then invert this mask. Now I'm gonna open up the image, this image. Now I understand this mask. See black, use the black too. Now go back to this mask again. Take white. Oops, I got. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go back this mask. and I take white. Okay, now I'm gonna see this. Then take white. Now let's see this shooting star. Okay, this one make mask. Then it's okay for this, huh? I'm gonna hide this too much. Oh, in this layer I should change the brush to airbrush. Soft brush. Yeah, this one's better, I think. On this layer, use black to leave the white light area. Now go back to this. Then I'm gonna fix some kind of dirty look too. Let's check this one with this mask. I have to take this one out. Okay, I want to take around here, but I want to leave this some kind of cloud look. That's, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just fade down, touch on black with the airbrush. I don't need this. Just fade down. I want some on here, but I don't need much. Okay, and I want to see the black ball. I don't want this white here. Again, come from here. So I gotta change the brush to painting. Was it gouache? Yeah, gouache, huh? Painting, gouache. Was it? Yeah, erasers just leave it there, so that's right. Gouache is right. I'm gonna take this one out with texture of the gouache texture brush. Oops. Black. I want this highlight here. So where it goes? Maybe this? Nope. Maybe this. Okay, make mask on that black ball. And just a little bit. Then choose black, not only here. Should have more. Maybe this, and also this. What else? Okay, I guess this is clear and nothing is this kind of texture, so which I like it, but also this image has some kind of feeling. I like it too. Well, thank you for watching my video for a long time, and I hope you guys get some kind of idea to make the creative work of yours. Thank you now. See you next time. Have a nice day. Ciao.